Welcome. If you want to change region on your Xbox Series X, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to be in the system and go for the language and location. And right now we can change the system language. And of course we are going to focus on the region, so click right here on the location. And right now you can simply choose one of them. For example, we can set Germany, and then we can simply go back. And of course, after that change, we have to restart our console. And when you press the A and confirm the restart, the region has been changed when the console turn on another time. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.